Hi everybody, it's Keith Tanner here from Flyin Miata. I'm here to show you a couple of parts that you might need to keep your Miata's convertible top happy. The convertible top latches on the 1990 to 05 Miatas are pretty solid, but they have a couple of wear points. One of them is the latch right here. It started to erode away on the actual latch, and on the handle it's also wearing down. This can lead to a top that opens unexpectedly, very loose latches, and in extreme cases, the top actually opening itself as you're driving down this road, which is quite exciting. The other part we have is the top lock cap, and this is a plastic nose that sockets into the striker plate, basically the windshield frame, and provides a lot of the tension that's on there. And these, as they wear, they start to develop a little bit of movement, and you start getting rattling in your top. You can see in extreme cases, they'll even crack on you. So both of these parts are easy to replace, they're easy to service, and they will make a big difference to how your top feels and latches and stays in place. Here are our solutions for this problem. The first one are these latches themselves, available in both red and in black, and as you can see, clearly labeled. They are a little more aggressive in their actual latching than the factory part, but they are also adjustable. So if you have bad wear on this handle, you can back out this set screw and that'll adjust the amount of actual tension on there, so you can compensate for a badly worn latch. They're very easy installation. They come in pairs with all the hardware needed to install, so it's a great little upgrade. You can be either subtle or you can be loud, depending on your own personal preference. For top lock caps, we have direct stock replacements. From 1990 to 2002, they're this pointy style, and in 2003 to 05, Mazda used this more squared off design. It's important to keep these straight because they are not interchangeable. The latch has to be the same as the top lock cap, which has to be the same as the striker plate, otherwise you will get all sorts of terrible fitment problems. These are available both in the actual Mazda factory part, and since the Mazda factory part is no longer available for the late cars, we have a 3D printed replacement made out of a very strong nylon material that will solve your problems. Those are sold individually, they're very easy installation, but you will need 2 per car. All right, so thanks for watching, folks. Keep an eye on our website for more product videos, and we will have installation video for both of these products. You'll see those linked in the product description. If you have any questions about any of our product, of course, always give us a call or contact us by email. We are happy to answer questions about what's going on. Thank you very much, and enjoy your Miata.